There are billions of products that are available on Amazon, and we shop for these amazing products every day. But did you know there are so many products that got banned from Amazon? And even if they are banned, you can still somehow find a few of them. Well, today is dedicated to these products only. We are going to talk about 18 forbidden products that are on Amazon. Links to the products are given in the description box below. Hello and welcome to another World Tech video. Keep watching till the very end, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Press the bell icon to get more videos like this. Without any delay, let's move on to our products one by one. Number 1. Lockpick Guns. Numerous online retailers, including AliExpress and Amazon, firmly banned this gadget after hearing that it was used in several theft occurrences. A snap gun, also known as a lockpick gun or an electric lock pack, can be used to open a mechanical pin-tumbling lock without a key. On number 2, we have glasses with a mini camera. Spy glasses, which were once a fascinating gadget and the subject of futuristic fiction and secret agent stories, are today a practical tool for security and surveillance. Spy glasses are unisex eyewear with an integrated video camera that allows for hands-free recording at eye level, typically in between the lenses. The auxiliary microphone has a range of several feet, allowing it to take up sounds. No apparent switches may be utilized to start or stop the camera, ensuring that no suspicion will be raised. The video clip is stored on a micro SD card that may be accessed by one of the spectral arms. Number 3. Remote-controlled license number plate. This new gadget is the most illegal item ever created. Several types of vehicles such as cars, trucks, jeeps, and more can be decorated with the help of this remote-controlled license plate. This is a brand new high-end plate that may be used as a standalone display holder or as interior decor. Among other things, it can act as a remote-controlled license plate. This plate is made of stainless steel, which makes it durable and less prone to rust or harm your remote control. Number 4. USB Killer. A USB killer is a device that looks like a USB thumb drive, but sends high voltage power surges into the connected device instead that could damage hardware components. In essence, a USB killer works by injecting 210 to 220 volts into an interface designed to withstand 5 volts. An excessive surge could damage or destroy any connected ports and hardware. It should be evident that even if USB killer devices are legal and can be used for legal purposes, it is totally prohibited to damage computers and other people's property without the owner's permission. Number 5. Wall Clock Spy Camera. You have a hidden spy camera in your wall clocks. Wall clocks can be put anywhere, allowing you to keep an eye on everything within your home without anybody suspecting you are a covert snoop. The fact that the spy camera is wireless means that all covert wireless cameras contain a radio transmitter inside that transforms the recorded image into a radio signal at a certain frequency. The signal can only be captured by a receiver inside the structure, which then transforms back into an image. Number 6. A flamethrower kit. Dual exhaust flamethrower kits have been banned due to the dangers this technology poses if it falls into the wrong hands. In essence, they quickly interrupt the ignition system of your car in order to burn the unburned fuel that your engine's control module has produced. Number 7. LED police lights. Using these LED police lights, many people act as police officers, and when people pose as police officers, these lights have also been used in countless crimes. After a while, it became illegal to purchase or use the lights. Do you want to know how this device's amazing features work? To use this device, just fasten the lights to your car's front desk and turn on the blue and red lights. In a few seconds, your car will change into a police car. However, you might get into trouble. Cool. For this, L-shaped mounting brackets and 90 degrees adjustable suction cup brackets are included with the multi-purpose light bulb bars. On the front or back wheeled shield, they can be installed either permanently with the L-shaped brackets and screws, or momentarily with the suction cup installation. Number 8. Black spot ear amplifier bug while listening device satisfies the producer's demands. Plastic construction with built-in sound amplifiers, silver-covered onboard button slots, a USB port, a sensor, an on and off switch, a volume control, and an internal rechargeable battery. The dimensions are I43 by D36mm. Due to their light sensitivity, items like Nux work on a variety of surfaces, including steel plates, wood doors, and walls. This product is advertised as a tool for police enforcement or licensed investigators. To avoid unwanted noise interface while using this item, stay away from electrical appliances like speakers, televisions, refrigerators, and gaming consoles. Apple iPhones, Android phones, iPads, Kindles, and e-readers are all compatible mobile devices as long as they have a standard 3.5mm jack. Number 9. Wi-Fi Swept Jammer. Despite the fact that a sweeping Wi-Fi jammer may sound like a cinematic prop, there might be one there already. What is it, and why would you require one? These are preferred by businesses that handle sensitive information to stop leaks. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi jammer can efficiently block phone and Wi-Fi signals up to 400 meters away in any fixed location. Because many hackers could use this to commit evil deeds in an emergency, the device is forbidden. Number 10. GPS Tracker. A GPS tracker is a tracking device that can be attached to a vehicle, included in the equipment, or worn by a person. This automated tracking device provides its precise location so that it can provide details about the whereabouts of a person, vehicle, or item of equipment. However, the GPS tracker we're talking about isn't your ordinary GPS tracker because it's designed to track individuals or things. Number 11, a spy camera charger. This inbuilt covert camera allows you to keep an eye on your nanny, babysitter, elderly parents, caregivers, co-workers, and clients. This charger-attached spy camera is completely covert and undetected because it includes a USB charger that is appropriately integrated into it. The spy camera boosts films, and photographs stand out thanks to its 1080p HD quality. The 100-degree wide-angle lens guarantees a wide field of vision to record more of the space from one critical point in high definition, making sure you don't miss anything. The hidden security camera's real HD 1920 by 180p videos can be viewed by any device without the need for additional software. Number 12. Moontai Voice Changer. The interface of this voice changer is 3.5mm narrow. It is permitted to utilize an audio converter cable with a 3.5mm interface. You can use it immediately on the headphones or headset of your choice. Voice changers are used for enjoyment when talking on the phone and playing online games with friends. It's a necessary, extremely transportable voice changer, easy to use and plug and play. Number 13. Keychain Knives. It is totally up to you whether you want to carry it around in your palm as a fashionable keychain or as a lethal weapon, which is still why it's prohibited. Despite their growing popularity, keychain knives are still prohibited on AliExpress and Amazon.com. Keychain knives feature a conveniently key-shaped body and the everyday carrying capacity of a high-quality fold-out locking knife. They come in quite handy for cutting your potatoes, or for self-defense. Number 14. Powerful Lasers. If the gap is narrow enough, everything will almost surely catch on fire. Blue laser pointers are the least frequent, cutting-edge portable lasers available right now. The lowest power outputs are 2 megawatts at 473 nanometers, and 440 nanometers and 1000 megawatts produce the maximum outputs. How dangerous might these lasers be? Well, Class 3 lasers can be quite lethal, while Class 4 lasers can be even more dangerous. It's possible that you've assumed that these lasers can significantly hurt your eyes and skin because they could start a fire. The shell is made of a premium aluminum alloy. Number 15. Voice Changer. If you want to deceive someone with your voice but can't find the device on Amazon or AliExpress, this is the device to use. What would you do if you possessed a speech-modifying gadget that could change the way your voice sounded? Number 16. Wall Wiretap. Do you wish to sneak into your enemy's private conversations without being discovered? Or are they simply conversing behind you? Now that this gear is generally recognized as a spy device enabling anyone to overhear conversations occurring in a different room, walls are easily penetrated by sound. This equipment's exceptional sensitivity makes it easy to hear everything going on, even while listening through walls. Number 17. Night Vision Telescope. The full narrative is in the name. Yes, you are correct. What more could one want in the dark other than good vision? A gadget that could see in the dark. Often known as night vision goggles, or a night optical, or observation instrument, is an optoelectronic device. It enables the creation of images under light conditions that are nearly completely dark. Number 18. Small Spy Camera Pen. Well, a spy pen resembles a regular pen almost exactly, with a hidden digital camera inside. It is still the perfect one that permits the user to record a covert video, and frequently the pen can be kept in hand or put in a shirt pocket without the target suspecting anything is going on. Many people use them for activities when having video proof is advantageous, such as making deliveries or doing covert shopping. These are all the gadgets that we were able to find. Now you tell us which one you would like to buy in the comments. The product links are provided in the description box, and also do check out other videos on our channel. Well, we'll see you in the next one.